Right, I'm going to show you how you get this wave. I've done lots of tutorials on this, but I just thought I'd do another one because I'm doing it right now. So, take your hair in section. No, first of all, give the section that you're going to be working on a little spray of hairspray from a distance, okay? You don't want it to be wet, but you just need to give the hair a little bit of grunge for the heat to stick to, okay? And then we're just taking kind of like about an inch section, right? So for this side of the face, so this is my left side, I want it all to go back away from the face. You don't want to bring the curl forward because it's not very flattering. It needs to go away. So I put the tong on top of the hair, wrap it round, but twist my wrist as I wrap it. So I'm twisting the hair, give it a little jiggy like that, and then let it go. And what that does is gives it that kind of little wave rather than a ringlet, right? So let me do another one. So I'm putting it on top, flat, twist, and I keep the end out, give it a little jiggy, and then pull it down. Pull it down as it cools, and then it won't be too tight. Okay, let's just do a couple more so you get the gist of it. Top, flat, round, end out. You kind of want a good inch and a half out at the end. Top, flat, twist, end out. Jiggy. Let it go. Right, and then once that's cooled, I like to use a wide tooth. Well, you can use your fingers, but if not, a wide tooth comb, just to give it that kind of. You don't want you don't want a done look. You want it kind of just as if it's naturally got a little kink in it. Do you know what I mean? I'll give it a spray after, and then I'll just do the top of my hair. So sometimes I have a centre parting, sometimes a side parting. Depends where it wants to fall, really. Today it's falling kind of like that, a little bit 3/4. So let's do it this way. So again, a tiny little bit of spray, tiny. Get the section of hair like that. Make it flat between your fingers. On top, wrap, twist, wrap. Hold the end out. Sometimes the shorter the hair, you're only going to get it around once, and then you've got that nice little wave. See? Now this little bit here, I'm going to rub it together and just do a little on top, wrap it round. I've got little short bits there coming away. Look, I don't want too much heat on this bit. It's the front of the hair, so it's really delicate. I've already over bleached it. It kind of does as it's told if you manipulate it with your fingers a bit anyway. So that's that kind of nice wavy bit. I've put a little bit of spray on that. My hair's freshly washed, so it's a bit flyaway at the minute, a little bit fluffy. I always like it the next day actually, or 2 days later. Right, and I'll do the other side. See you in a bit.